Did you know that onion in your sock can work wonders? Placing an onion in your sock might sound odd, but you should try it. Most individuals associate onions with a nice meal and crying their eyes out while preparing food. But did you know you can use onions for other things as well? It can help you combat all kinds of everyday ailments effectively. Were you aware of the fact that the bottom areas of your feet have direct access points to all the internal organs in your body? As per Chinese medicine terminology, these access points are known as meridians, and they form the pathways to each organ in the body. Experts say that there are about 7,000 meridians at the bottom of our feet that directly link to different organs. Can you believe that? Curious to find out what happens when you put an onion in your sock while sleeping? Onion in a sock. While sleeping with an onion in your sock, the healing properties of the onion will be absorbed by your feet. Onions are considered a natural remedy for various illnesses and are known for their magical healing power. You should definitely give it a try because this onion in a sock treatment comes with great benefits for your health. Have you got the flu or a cold? Just put an onion in your sock at night. This easy trick helps your body tackle the sickness faster. It also works wonders for the removal of germs and bacteria in your body. Because of this, an onion in your sock works as a natural antibiotic. Also good to know that if you sleep with an onion in your sock for about a week, it has a significant influence on your weight loss due to the detoxification process. Who knew that something so simple and inexpensive can be so beneficial for our health? How it works? You can use a white or red onion for this trick. Just make sure it's an organic onion. Cut the onion into slices and place the onion slices in your socks and make sure they cover the entire bottom of your foot. Next, sleep as you usually do and let the onion work its magic. If you try this for over a week, you will see that it has a tremendous effect on your health. This is definitely worth trying, right?